So you're looking at getting into a home business because you want to be free. Here's one thing you could say to somebody that you're thinking about enrolling with, just to see if they'd be somebody you'd want to enroll with. And that thing you could say is, after you get the information and you look at it, you say, it looks good, I'm interested, but I don't have any money. And then decide, based on the response, if this is really a good fit for you. And the typical response I've found with a lot of people is going to be something like a guilt trip because you don't have the money, or they're going to make you feel weird, try to saddle you with some kind of shame or whatever, like, well, if you don't have the money now, if you're not going to pony up now, then are you ever? Something like that. It might be a good indication to go elsewhere. Here's what I say when somebody says that to me. I'll say, that's cool, don't worry about it. Most people are in your shoes and don't have the money up front. So they just need a few days or a few weeks, a couple of months, whatever the case may be. How close are you to whatever amount it is? And whatever number that is, it's a lot easier to deal with than, say, the full amount to get started. So then there's a much less number to focus on, and it could be as simple as putting a few dollars away into an envelope or whatever the person can do. There's some people get super creative. There's one guy that he had all this video game equipment. So he got on Craigslist and he started selling and buying video game equipment over and over again until he had the startup cost. Now that was years and years ago he did that. And today, I mean, he's made over $1 million today. That's incredible. So that's a pretty good response to it versus a not so good response, and also a qualifier versus a disqualifier, in my personal opinion. And there's lots of other things you could say or questions you could ask to qualify who would be a good fit for you to sign up with or enroll with. But that's one I think that does a pretty good job, just to find out if this is the kind of character type that you really want to be partnered up with in building a home business that's eventually going to set you free. And if you want to look at what I've got, I typed up a beautiful blog or an article about it. It's about 5 to 10 minutes worth of reading. Happy to send it to you so you can get the info in your hands about what I do around natural health and residual wealth. And you can see if it would be a good fit for you or not. Just ask me for the link and I'll happily send it to you. And then you can say to me you don't have the money, and it'll be a good experience, or whatever you want to say after that point. Bye for now. Feel free to share this, and I'll talk to you soon.